Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limits. Find each of the following. So we have the situation A. So kindly substitute the 1 into the situation. So if we substitute 1 in here, and we will have 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. Over, if we substitute 1 here, and we will obtain 0 as well. So here we have the situation in determinate form. So in here we have 3 strategies. Number 1 will be the conjugate. Number 2, factorize the situation. Number 3, long division. So my suggestion for this question will be long division. So in here we have x to the power of 3 plus with the 0x square plus with the 0x and then minus 1. The divisor will be negative x plus with the 1. So negative x square. So here we will have x to the power of 3. And then we have negative x square. So continue. We have x square plus with the 0x minus with the 1. Next, we have to multiply with the x. So we have the x square minus the x. Then we have x minus 1. Then we have negative 1 in here. So we will have x minus 1. So kindly rewrite the situation. Limit when x approaching 1 for the situation negative 1 over 7 bracket. For the x cube, we can simplify the situation. So here we have negative bracket x square plus with the x plus with the 1. So when we have the qx, multiply with the divisor or the factor. So here we have 1 minus x. Over, we have 1 minus x. So notice that we have the common terms. So we can simplify the situation. So limit when x approaching 1 for the situation negative 1 over 7. So multiply with negative bracket. We have x square plus with the x plus with the 1. So kindly substitute the 1 into the situation. So here we have 1 plus with the 1. So conclusion we have 3 over 7. So as x approaching 1 for the function, then we will have the value of y approaching 3 over 7. Kindly refers to B. Limit when x approaching 3 from the right. We have the function 2 multiply with the modulus 3 minus x over 9 minus x squared. So first of all, notice that we have the modulus 3 minus x. So kindly define the situation. We have 3 minus x, comma, 3 minus x greater equals to 0. Negative bracket 3 minus x. We have 3 minus x less than 0. So here we have the definition for the modulus 3 minus x. So 3 minus x is equals to, we have the situation 3 minus x, and then we have the domain x less than equals to 3. Negative 3 minus x, and we have the domain x greater than 3. So kindly illustrate the situation in the real number line. We have the 3. For the left hand side, we have 3 minus x. For the right hand side, we have negative bracket 3 minus x. So kindly substitute the situation. So if we substitute, and we will have 3 in here, so we obtain 0 over. If we substitute here, and we will have 9, again we will have 0. So where we have the indeterminate form. So the strategy would be conjugate, factorization, and long division. So for this question, my suggestion will be factorization. So limit when x approaching 3 from the right. So here we have from the right. So we have 2 bracket. We have the negative 3 minus x over. We have the 9 minus x squared. If we factorize, and we will have 3 minus x, 3 plus with the x. So notice that we have the common terms, so we can simplify. So kindly rewrite the situation. Limit when x approaching 3 from the right. So we have the negative 2 over 3 plus with the x. So kindly substitute the value. So if we substitute 3, and we will have negative 2 over 6. So limit when x approaching 3 from the right. For the function, we have 2 multiplied with the modulus 3 minus x over the 9 minus with the x squared. The value of y will be approaching negative 1 over 3. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.